Okay, fam. I don't know if you can see me 100% or not. We just heard a noise. We just heard two noises. We just heard another one. I don't know if you guys just heard that, but it was scary as hell sounding. What did that sound like?
Like rustling.
Well, no. I'm talking about a second noise.
I don't know. It sounded like a car speeding down the road.
It did?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, man, you guys, this is really freaky.
Kind of like that.
We're inside this barn. It's 3 a.m. Sean, let me see your phone so I can show them it's 3 a.m.
It's definitely
I don't even know if they could see me, bro. I'm gonna turn my damn headlight on.
It's definitely 3:04.
Let me see. It's 3:04 a.m. Everybody on October 22nd. Grab that light over there and shine it where I'm looking with the camera. There you go. Dude, that was really freaky. I just heard a noise, didn't you? Look to your right. Okay. Well, it just got really fucking, dude, it got really fuzzy right there on you. Right here. Where I'm looking, it's really fuzzing out, dude. Oh my god, it just fixed and it just fuzzed out again. Oh, dude, it's getting real fuzzy. Dude, that is crazy as hell, bro. You know when we see, listen, I mean, if you guys look at some of the pictures that I'm gonna post on Twitter, you guys can actually see a ghost. Sean, shine it to your right. Right there. You guys can actually see a ghost there. Earlier today, we saw somebody standing there or sitting there on those steps or sitting there on that bench staring towards the steps. We saw somebody. You guys can look at the picture later on. I mean, this place is so creepy. You guys just don't even believe. I mean, how creepy this place really is. Because, I mean, honestly, you guys, I mean, it's so creepy. Oh my god, my headlamp does not do justice to this place. I mean, I have to get a better lamp. Sean's got the good flashlight, so like we're just like kind of like zoning around. You feel me? If you guys see anything in this video that I didn't catch, then please notify me and please let me know what it is you saw and what it is that you possibly saw or you think happened. So please let me know. Let me know what's going on. Here's my little friend right here. He's a monkey. We found him here last time. He moved a few times around my house, so we brought him here with us, and we're gonna see if he moves tonight, which I think he did earlier, because he was sitting behind me, and then he ended up on the other side of the chair. It just wasn't cool. So what we're gonna be doing is we're sitting here hanging out, and we're going to make another video here shortly.
Starting to feel creepy
Yes, it's, oh shit, I got my phone. Okay, listen, it's really starting to be on the creepy side. I mean, it's really starting to feel creepy, you guys. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. We don't exactly know what we're getting ourselves into here. But the thing about it, crap, I dropped the phone. The thing about it though is, this place is really creepy. Sean, did you hear that, dude? Dude, you guys, I don't understand. I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but there was something right over there on my screen. I mean, I didn't see it on the screen, but I heard it and I turned around as fast as I could. Sean, man, I think we should get away from the doorway. You know what I mean? That over there. Where do you think a safe place is to go?
away from this fucking barn.
You scared already?
Kinda.
You want to go sleep behind the Winn-Dixie?
I'm kind of having second thoughts about spending the night here.
Yeah, me too. Honestly, I'm getting pretty freaked out. There's really no bugs in this place, so honestly, if you guys see any kind of little like white lights flashing past this plate, past the camera, you never saw a dead end sign?
I have.
Dude, I saw it on the last video. What you talking about?
Yeah, I know. I remember it from last time, but just seeing it kind of further creeps me out. Like,
Yeah, I feel you.
there's no escape.
Shine towards that door. Okay. Anyway, you guys